The whole place is one big industrial zone. There are many small workshops of the size of a garage. Most of these companies have 2 or 3 employees. Most of the work which is done here are gas cooking stations for the local restaurants or restaurants in other cities of Ecuador. They also produce a lot of stuff made of sheet metal. For example, that cabinet is made here in Quito. Here you can see how they weld some chairs. Eye protection, not a thing here. That's a big sheet metal brake. In Spanish they call it dobladora.
Dobladora en español. Dobladora para doblar las láminas para fabricar las cocinas y muchas cosas más, no solo cocinas sino muchas otras cosas. Esta es la dobladora.
A small benchtop lathe. I'm wondering which brand it is.
Entonces aquí están ya soldando las piezas.
Again, no eye protection. This guy enjoys being filmed very much. Building some kind of cabinet, and the weldings are, let's say, special. This guy is deburring some sheet metal with an angle grinder. Angle grinder is called moladora in Espanol.
Es una cortadora.
Cortadora.
Sí.
This guy is spray painting one of these gas cookers. I don't know what this thing is, but it looks shop made. It's maybe some clamping device or some press.
Jesus.
¿Dónde está el fuego?
Another sheet metal brake.
Gracias, amigo.
Puedes entrar a filmar ahí también, pregunta de aquí.
These guys are building a door.
Hola, bien.
¿Qué es lo que están haciendo? ¿Cómo se llama? Es una puerta metálica.
Gracias. Gracias. Chao.
There's a blacksmith also. I think they are producing chisels here. They use a round bar and they cut it. After that they hammer the chisel profile on it. I think they also harden it. And they also produce some crowbars here. I think they need a lot of crowbars in South America for opening things. And they sell the crowbars and the chisels next to the shop. There are some small shops there which sell tools, and they are also selling these chisels. You can see the chisels here. Now we are going to some kind of tool market. There are a lot of little shops there. You can buy nearly every tool you need here. They have saws, milling machines, compressors, everything you need. If you enjoyed my video, give me a like, and if you want to see more of this content, make sure you click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.